In this video, let me quickly show you how you're going to search Safari history on the iPhone. So what we're going to do right now is that we're going to open up our web browser, the Safari, of course, like this. And as you can see, I'm on a new tab. So in the bottom portion of the display, in the corner, I'm going to click on the three dots like this and proceed to the bookmarks. So as you can see, I can click on bookmarks like this. And then now the screen is separated into the bookmarks, folders, reading list, and the history is right there. So you can see the history as such, but if you swipe down just like this very slightly, the search bar appears at the top. So as you can see, I have some pages which I visited, but now that the search is visible, I can look it up like this. And I can actually filter by the term. So if I type in Apple, I can see each time that website was visited. So you can obviously delete that entry or click on the link to jump back to that website, right, to continue browsing in. So that's how you can search the history within a Safari. It's pretty simple. But as you can notice, the search bar kind of was hidden away. So yeah, you have to swipe down like this to make it reappear. But that's going to be about it from me. I hope that I was able to help you out. Subscribe for more and I'll see you later.